Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can find friends on Pinterest. So if you're looking for someone specific, you can simply go into the search bar, and in here make sure to type in either the user's display name, username, or email address. But if by finding friends you meant how you can find the Pinterest accounts of the people that are in your phone's contacts list, you can do that by going into your account settings, by entering the saved section, then tapping on these three buttons, then settings. In here, go into the privacy and data category, and make sure to turn on the store your contacts toggle. Then go for the upload contacts button, and now you will be able to find all your friends' Pinterest accounts at the notifications messages. And here, once this page will finally load itself, we should have a separate section containing the Pinterest profiles of the people from our contacts list. But as you can see, it can hardly load itself. So let me quickly reload the application and see whether that will help or not. So I'll have a chance to prove that the accounts were, the contacts were actually reflected over here. Yep, as you can see, they definitely were. And if you'll have any direct messages history here, actually, if you have any message threads, this page will look slightly different. So let me know what I should just go ahead and show you, I guess. So I've created a thread, and now as you can see, it is aligned in a way that our contacts will be displayed over here in their separate section. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.